Hey guys, this is Custom Roma and today, as you can see, we are seeing a pixelized UI on the Moto G4 Plus. So, this is the Moto G4 Plus and this is the Arrow OS. Let me show you the settings and what Android version it is based on. So, this is based on Android 9P for your information, but you can see here it's based on Android 9P and it is a Moto G4 Plus, and um, it is signed in as owner because I installed it in the morning. It doesn't have much, but it's a pixelized UI and it's stock Android. So I um, I see here network and internet and connected devices because it's a stock Android and it is not a very customizable thing. But um, um, here you can see in the home settings there are many things. Um, if you don't know, uh, I think in this video I should tell you about the bootloader, about what is bootloader and what is a custom recovery, as it has been high times and I don't think anything has been gone into your mind about what I say about custom recoveries and bootloaders. So basically, a bootloader allows, and if it's, of course, if it's unlocked, boot, it allows us as people to flash custom recoveries, and, and pretty much that is a thing. And with the locked bootloader, you can't flash a custom recovery. And if no custom recovery, then no custom ROM. So, a custom recovery allows. See, there are two types of recoveries. One, stock recovery. Stock means that it comes by default. So this also means that it comes by default on your device. And custom means that you have installed it. So we people only install it, and stock recovery, that custom recovery we install, and stock recovery is installed by the manufacturer. So custom recovery has many advantages over the stock recovery. Like, first of all, with the stock recovery you only have some options like factory resetting your device, or wiping its cache memory, or and you don't have many options. And in the custom recovery, however, you can install custom ROMs, and you have a one major advantage, that is, you can install the you can use the touch. The touch screen is the biggest advantage of a custom recovery, and that is the main thing about custom recovery, because if you don't have a custom recovery, then you can't install a custom ROM. And I have already dropped links uh, on how to install TWRP in my previous video, Viper OS on Samsung Galaxy Core Prime, so you can check it out in the I button. So proceeding further, now I have to tell you about the in this room we can also change the file system, such as, like, there are two types of file systems. One, X2FS4, that is a slower file system. And in some of the flagship phones, flagship simply means the premium smartphones of any company. So in the flagship phones of Samsung and OnePlus, we they give the user a F2FS file system, and F2FS file system is a much faster, responsive, snappier file system. Now, we can also change the file system to F2FS in a mid-range phone. Mid-range simply means that it is a 15,000 segment, and it does the price of that phone does not exceed 20,000. So then it's called a mid-range smartphone. So how to do it on mid-range smartphone, we will be covering it in another video, or I will drop some links on how to change the file system, so you can check them out in the description box. So um, now I want to tell you that it does not have any no, not a single bug. And as for your security, it does not steal any data. There are some ROMs that steal data, but it does not. Okay, I have tried and tested it. Then I wanna show you something. Now I wanna show you that does the oh 1 minute, by mistake I went. Does calling work on this room? Yeah, it works for sure. See, we will do it, and now we will. And if you are using a Geo SIM, then no need to worry. See, I'm dialing the customer care number for Geo, and now we will be calling it. See, all lines of this route are currently busy. Try later. All right. So I don't think it is working right now. But if your call, like that was the customer care number, and their lines are busy. But if you are calling someone like your friends, family, then it will work for sure. Okay. So basically, it has no bugs. Wi-Fi will work. Your cellular data will also work, and you can see here our cellular data is working. So the cellular data is also working. There is no as such bug. We are receiving messages also, like these spammy messages, but overall it's a pixelized UI, and the experience is of no match to others. So should you install this ROM, and how to install this ROM? So how to install the Pixel ROM on Moto G4 Plus? If you have a Moto G4 Plus, I'll drop some links to that in the description box, and further videos will come on it. Okay, and should you install it? I think if you are using 7.0 Android on Moto G4 Plus, that is not, I say, a capable phone. But if you are using it and you want a same and you don't wanna rip your pocket on some flagship phones and need good performance, then go for it. But if you have the money and you have all the good money, and I suggest, if you're buying a smartphone, then don't buy the buggy MIUI. It will creep you out. It is considered the worst ROM in the custom ROM community. At least I think that. It is feature rich, but it's buggy. And if you want a Pixel but wanna save some money and need the same price of a Pixel as a MIUI smartphone, then you can custom ROM it to Arrow OS, Pixel Experience ROM, or Pixel Experience Plus ROM. Now note that I was not able to install the Pixel Experience ROM as I was facing error number 255. So I thought, why not install this ROM? Because it is exactly same as Pixel ROM, and it is good. And furthermore, like the Pixel ROM for Moto G4 Plus, it does not feature any bugs. I think if you are installing a custom ROM, then do read the articles about it, as there may be some bugs and you might face problems when you have installed it. So that is pretty much it. This is a custom ROM. Goodbye.